Okay, guys, starting with the display wall, this is our layout. I have the wall per the sketch at 204 inches. This is all slab hickory doors, vertical grain orientation. The inside of all these cabinets is black. The floating shelves, 16 inches deep. This would be the sloped top, which is not shown, just a bit of a limitation with this program with the sloped top. And the floating shelves are hickory, and then due to the length of this, there's going to be a couple seams in the upper one and one in this one due to the length. And of course, I'll do a field measurement, but for starters, this is what I have. The countertop would be at 30. The cabinet height 24.5 plus a 4-inch toe kick, and then an 1.5 inches for the decking under the countertop, and then the countertop, which would bring it to 30. And then these cabinets are 24 deep. This one's about 24 deep. The wine tasting counter, a 3D view to look at this first. So this is the wall we can fabricate, which is hollow, to run electrical in. We would put a 3/4 1-inch piece of material underneath the wall that goes to the floor to support it, and put material in between these spaces. And this is all the hickory planking, 4 or 5 inches wide, across here and on the back. So this orientation is not correct. The grain would be horizontal here and here. But one thing to point out how what do you want to do with this space here? We just put a small piece of hickory to cover the end of that up. And the inside or elevation view of this, again, these are all black melamine interiors. These would be black. A little bit of an issue with sizing on this. So if I have this lower section at 6 feet and this at 20 feet 3 inches, that's no problem to get 6 feet here, but when we take that 20 foot 3 inches and paying attention to the given widths for these cabinets, I've got 48 between these two, but here it's 55. The interior, the cash drawer, if it's 14 wide, the cash drawer is 14 wide. That sounds like it's just going to sit in this drawer box here. I mean, it'll clearly fit in there, but again, black melamine interiors. We can just put a black melamine panel in between here to make that look cleaner. On this side here, rubber base. But again, just check these sizes. Overall, I've got this wall at 315 inches. The length of all this from here to here, 315. And to clarify, the 16.5, that's the inside of the cabinet. So that cash drawer being 14, we have a 1/4 inch on each side of the cash drawer to fit in that drawer. So that's not the inside width of the drawer, but the cabinet itself. Back of the house storage. This is this wall here. And to the right, this wall, we're not doing any work. We just have some uppers here. But again, measurement verification. on this. I don't see any specific notes on how wide are these. I scaled it as best I could, but widths of these cabinets, blank panel here, since there's a countertop, stainless steel countertop across here, assuming the blank panel is just because it'd be difficult to reach over and grab that. But these upper cabs, 58 inches off the floor, 26 inches tall, and 12 inches deep. Black interiors, black doors. The office space, countertop here by others, desk space here, 12-inch, deep uppers, black melamine interiors, or white melamine for these here. We certainly could do them in black. And then the other wall, the adjacent wall, our base cabinet, the countertop would be at 30 inches. Height is 34, 50 inches off the floor. Pickup counter, black melamine, hickory paneling here and on the back, and we would put that hickory on a 3/4 inch panel, so this space would be closed off. Another cash drawer in this cabinet's the same width as the tasting bar. Hickory on the back, hickory on this side. Black melamine open interior. The depth of these cabinets, it'll add an inch to the back. And then on this one only, we're just doing a black laminate countertop as noted here. Overall width. So the countertop will add about 1.5 inches overhang on each side. Bottle display. Sink in the center. 13-inch opening. And again, just a limitation with the cabinet program, but it'll be done where these are angled as shown. Here. Angle these, a melamine slope top here. Storage cabinets, all black melamine, interior and exterior. Countertops by others. I have this wall at 330. It's 4 inches off the wall here. Not quite to scale, but 8.5 off here. So that would be from far left of cabinet to far right would be 317.5. And then lastly is the merchant display where we started. The only thing not drawn is that display cab, if we're doing that or not, with that acrylic top. But I'll email all these elevation views to you to take a look and see where we're at. And one time I can get out there and do a field measurement and tighten these up and keep working together to get all this lined out how you guys would like. Thank you.